In this video, I am going to show you how to fix error code value rank 43, Windows 11. So this should be a quick and easy process video. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So the first thing we need to do is to go ahead to your task manager. So just wait for the task manager to open up to you. After that, just go ahead to details. As you can see, then click on it. And from here, you should look for anything that looks like a Valorant or something like it. So if you see nothing, you should just close it. If you see it, you can just click on it. So after you do that, just close the task manager. And now just go ahead to your search menu, type in %appdata% as you can see, just like this. After that, just go ahead, click on Open. And now after you click on Open, the app data will open up for you. Go click on App Data. And from here, just go ahead, click on Local. From here, you should see Riot Games. Then after you click on Riot Games, you should go to Riot Client. And then delete Riot's client settings.yaml. Then click on it and delete it. Now actually do that. Go ahead again, type %appdata% and then enter it. As you can see, go ahead, click on Open to access it. Then the same thing you can do is to click on App Data at the top. After you do that, you can go ahead, click on Local again. After that, search for the Valorant file. Then access it and try to delete all the config files and also delete the logs files. So after you do that, you should be all good to go. And after that, just head to Services. As you can see, click on Open. After that, just wait for the Services window to open up for you. So just give it a moment. And then click on any service you can see here and type V. After that, you should look for VGC. Then right-click on it, go to Properties. After that, the Properties window will open up for you. Go to Startup Type and then select Automatic. And then click on Apply and OK. After that, just click Out of Services. And then try to restart your computer for changes to take place. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.